It's little messy. Here. Welcome.
안녕하세요. 저는 이번 이스라엘 투어 영상글을 제작한 PD입니다. 지난 1월 전쟁 중인 이스라엘에 방문하여 저희가 묵었던 호텔에 이스라엘 북쪽 지역인 슐람이라는 지역에서 대피한 여러 가정들을 만날 수 있었습니다. 어린 학생들도 있었고 부모님들도 있었습니다. 그들과 대화를 나누던 중 실제 이스라엘의 현장들을 전해드리고 싶다는 마음에 인터뷰를 요청하였습니다. 그리고 감사하게도 한 가정이 사는 공간을 오픈하여 주셨고 촬영 또한 허락해 주셨습니다.
What's your name?
My name is Avishag. I'm from Shlomi.
Shlomi. Where is Shlomi?
And we close Lebanon. And it's dangerous living in Shlomi. And we go for a friend in my parents. And from there we come here. We here 3 months. And we really miss home, and we really want to go for our home. We have here a school, and we go to school, and I have a friend in my school in Shlomi, but we wanted our house and our friend.
In Shlomi.
Yes, I really miss my home.
So during the war, what did you do? Do you remember that time?
In Shlomi, we be in Shlomi, I'm scared. Every time we're there, we scared because we don't know when be red color in our house, and it's we're scared. And if we go home, we don't sleep in our home. We go in NAHARIYA for our cousin and our family. And sometimes we go home for see the home, take stuff. And we be in a Shlomi ונהריה, and we see the home, and me and my sister cry because we want home, we want to sleep our home, but my mom scared sleep there.
Then before the war and after the war, what do you see the difference? What's the biggest difference? Just your feeling or situation?
In Shlomi, I don't really scare because if something happened, I don't know what to do. It's not really scared, but my mom, if we go there, it's really scared. So we don't stay there so much time. Now in my home, how you said, I see my friend and I go to him in the school and my teachers and my life. And here I go for school, but no. And I have one friend and my sister. Not all my friend here, and I have here one friend and he's a boy. And I really miss. And I have 2 friends really good, my best friend, and one in Tveria and one in Netanya, and it's not here, and it's hard.
My name is Eliron. הכל התחיל בשבת השחורה. פשוט קמתי בבוקר וקיבלתי מיליון הודעות של ראיתם מה קרה. ישר קראתי לאמא שלי, שאלתי אותה מה קרה וזה, מה היה. ואז התחיל כל הבומים וההפצצות בשלומי, ועדיין הייתי בבית. ואז נסעתי למשפחה בפרדס חנה, ואז הכל באמת, עכשיו הכל באמת התחילו הפצצות, חדירת מחבלים, חדירת כלי טיס. כן, ברור שפחדתי. התחלתי להילחץ ולבכות, ואז אבא שלי חיפש מלונות בירושלים, ובאנו לפה בעצם לפני 3.5 חודשים. ואח שלי היה בצבא והוא אמר לנו להיזהר וזה, והרבה פעמים הוא לא ענה לנו, אז כאילו התחלנו להילחץ, כאילו, וכאילו באנו לפה היה בהתחלה קשה, היה קשה מאוד, אבל בסופו של דבר מתגברים ומתמודדים על המצב.
What's the difference between before the war and after the war in your life?
אוקיי, דבר ראשון זה אזור שונה לגמרי. עמוס יותר, יש יותר אנשים, יותר קהילה. זה גם קשה לחיות במלון, זה אזור לא מוכר. גם פעם ראשונה שאני בירושלים. וגם כאילו אני רגילה להיפגש עם חברות ברצף. והנה אני מנסה להשיג את עצמי בכל מיני דרכים. זהו בגדול. זהו.
Me and my husband and my little girl that you met, and we have another room for my son. He is a soldier in Gaza. He can't go home. We don't have a home now, so he come here, and he has a room of his own. And when he's not here, my daughter sometimes sleeps there, or if she wants some privacy, so she goes there.
For allowing us
Thank you, dear.
sharing your hearts with us.
Thank you for what you're doing.
Yes, my English not very good, so I come in Israel from Belarus. I Jewish, and I don't understand why all people in the world hate Jewish, hate Israel, because I live now in Shlomi, and I come here because we have a war from the north, and I don't understand why. I work, I have Arab friends. I don't understand why people hate me. I remember I wake up in the morning and see the television. I think this play, joking, it's not in Israel. My parents live in the Sderot, so call me and tell me this true. We in the home and close the door, window. If we have a war, go fight from soldiers, okay? Soldiers. Oh, it's okay. We have soldiers. Him have soldiers. So come and shoot grandmother, grandfather, children. If I go to Palestine, I don't do this.
Then what's the difference before the war and after the war in your life or
In my life, we have a problem in the work, my work, because I'm here. My work I go to, and my family here, and it's a big problem. It's a big problem. I believe and I want this war finish fast.
then how do you feel now? It's already 100 days past. How do you feel now?
I'm very tired. I'm very tired. I want home. I want my small son. If this fire, so I see afraid. I see you afraid. You understand? I come, because a war the north. We don't come here because we want. Very close, understand? It's home. It's a big problem. I to be Israel soldiers. Okay, I know Israel soldiers if see children and give him food. all time. If you see the news, all time I give. If Israel army they want today, for Yom we destroyed Gaza. All day we listen soldiers Israeli dying. Soldiers 20 years old. It's young soldiers. We don't want a kill. What I see, we don't kill the civilians people. I want it's finish. I think we need finish the Hamas. Hamas not live civilian people. I see we give food, we give shoes, and Hamas it's not going the civilian people.
Praying for Israel. So this is what happened. I wanted to show you because you are not alone. Like you have friends in Korea like us.
아빠 늦어요 이거.
Liam.